everyone, today our topic is data. In data, we will be learning about mean, mode, median and range. Okay, so let's start with mean first. Mean. The mean is the sum of all the values in a set of data divided by the number of values in the list. To find the mean, a simple formula is used. Mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Examples. A batsman scored the following number of runs in 6 innings: 36, 35, 50, 46, 60 and 55. Calculate the mean runs scored in an inning. Okay, so first let's write the formula down. The formula is mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So, this is the formula. So, let's all add up all of these numbers. So, 36 plus 35 plus 50 plus 46 plus 60 plus 55. This all needs to go upon 6. That would equal to, so all of these added together would be 282 divided by 6. So 282 divided by 6 is equal to 47. So the mean is equal to 47. Mode. The mode is the most common or frequent number in a list. Now, let's look at some examples. So, the first set of numbers I'm going to take is 6, 2, 4, 3 and 6. So, we need to find a mode. Mode is the most common and frequent number in a list, so 2 can't be the mode, 4 can't be the mode, 3 can't be the mode, but 6 can, it's because there are 2 sets of numbers in 6. So the mode is equal to 6. Now let's look at another example. This is a set of numbers which is 6, 4, 3, 2, 6, 3, 6 and 3. So we need to find the mode. The mode is always the most common and frequent number in a list. So here there are 4 can't be it. 4 has one number, 3 has 1, 2, 3. So it might be 3. 2 has one number, 6 has 1, 2, 3. So the mode here would be 3 and 6. It's because both of them have the same amount of numbers in the set. Median. The median is the middle value in a set of data. Firstly, put the data in ascending order from lowest to highest. Let's do some examples. So, the first set of numbers I'm going to take is 8, 4, 0, 6 and 7. So, here we first need to put them from lowest to highest, called ascending order. So that would be 0, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Now we need to find the middle number. So 6 is the middle number. So the median is equal to 6. Median, even number of values. In a list with an even number of values, the median is worked out using the 2 middle values. Calculate the median. Add the 2 middle values and divide by 2 to find the median. Let's look at some examples. set of numbers I'm going to take is 150, 160, 170, 180, 180, and 190. And 190. So we need to find the median. So we'll first put this is in order. Just cross out this. So the two middle values are this. So it says we need to add the two middle values. So 170 plus 180 and divide by 2 and divided by 2. So when we add these together, we will get 350 divided by 2. And that is equal to 175. Range. Difference between the largest and smallest value. Example. The example is 6.1, 3.2, 0.6, 1.5, and 9.6. We need to find the range. So here we need to find the largest value, which is 9.6. Take away the smallest value, which is 0.6. So that would be 9. So the range is equal to 9. It's because that is the biggest number. Take away the smallest number. Examples. Missing number in a list with the mean given. So here is a set of numbers. 3, 2, x, 8, 2, and 8. So the mean is 4. We need to find the value of x. So the first step is that we have to do, there are 6 numbers including x times the mean, which is 4, which is 24. And then now we have to do the sum of all the values given is equal to 23. Now the last step is that we have to do 24 take away 23, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Examples. Lisa wants to get an average of 88% in her maths test. She has one test left to take. In the first 5 tests, she got 74%, 92%, 83%, 98%, and 100%. What score should she get in the final test? So first, we need to write the numbers down. 74, 92, 83, 98, and 100, and x. The mean is equal to 88. So first, we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers times by 88, just because that's the mean. That would be 5 to 8. Now, we need to do sum of the numbers given is equal to 447. Now we need to do 5 to 8, take away 447, which is equal to 81. So the x is equal to 81. What score should she get in the final test? Final test is equal to 81%.